check it out at pattywagstaff.com. You can also watch Patty's videos on the Sporties course, there at Sporties Pilot Shop. But Patty Wagstaff and Doug Litton, they flew this morning, great friends. Doug will tell you, her neighborhood specialty grocery store. Go check them out there, Farmer Joe's over there on Pine Island Road in Cape Coral. Art Scholl Memorial Award for Showmanship, and you'll see why. Do not take your eyes off this big behemoth of a Twin Beach. Watch it now. Matt Youngkin, ladies and gentlemen. In the Piper J3 Cub, and the rest is history. Soloed in a Travel Air biplane. He played the trombone in the high school band, and boy, he was one heck of an artist and a musician. And watch it now as he takes that talent and puts it into this. Matt Youngkin in the Twin Beach. She does love long walks on the beach at sunset. So does Matt Youngkin. Watch him now. As seeing becomes believing as it's up and over the top. This time, though, a hesitation roll. Look at that. All four of them. That's spectacular. A whole bunch of time down there in Houston, Texas, at Ellington Field. Watch now as Matthew divides this roll into 8 points. Simply Insurance, Fagan Fighters Restoration, Hartzell Propellers, Quality Aircraft Wheels and Brakes, Concord Battery, Kreiner Aircraft Paintings, David Clark Henson, Davis Field Aviation, Goodyear Tire, Hooker Harness, McFarland Aviation, Dance Machine, our friends at Northern Iowa, their North Iowa Air Services, Oregon Air, Pacific Oil Coolers, Tommy's Hot Dog Salad, Parker Strataflex, Aircraft Hoses, and now get your cameras
Hot pants! Hey! Hot pants! Smoking nothing.
Yeah, buddy. You know, Matt, he's an odd man, Matt. A lot of people like a very thin mold when they made Mr. Youngkin. You got to come on down to Fisherman's Village tonight. He'll be down there, and he'll be wishing for some ribs, but he can probably eat the heck out of that fish we're going to have tonight. Now, just imagine, if you will. Just imagine. Sitting in the movie theater with your buddies, and this comes on the screen. Snarmer Luke. Distances here at about 3 or 4 feet, believe it or not, through this next maneuver, the barrel roll that combines both creatures and it puts them all into one. that very maneuver you saw right there has been the hallmark. And that program today, simply known as Top. Of the F4 Phantom. Simply incredible to see these jets displayed right here in front of us at the Florida International Air Show. So what about these three guys who land these airplanes? Randy Hall, America's premier jet demonstration. Big Bill is based out of Mobile. Couldn't have it last year because of the hurricane. The recovery is underway, and I want to invite you to come out and meet all of the pilots tonight. Come on down to Fisherman's Village, meet all the pilots, including the big pilots. Help us bring this to bed. This is the only air show in the country. Thanks to the government shutdown, a bunch of them canceled, but not the volunteers here at Florida International Air Show. We'll see you tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks again for coming out. We'll see you down the road at Fisherman's Village.